In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to N8N. By the end, you'll have a workflow that listens for new Calendly events and can trigger any automation you build in N8N. Let's start in your N8N workspace. Open the Workflows area and create a new workflow. To make setup easy and safe to test, choose the option that runs the flow when you click a button in N8N. This is the manual trigger, and it lets you build and verify everything before you go live. With the empty canvas open, add your first node using the plus button. In the node picker, search for Calendly, then select the Calendly integration. In the operation or trigger menu, choose On Event Created. This tells N8N to react whenever a new Calendly meeting is scheduled. It's perfect for routing invites to a CRM, sending Slack notifications, or kicking off follow-up tasks. Before this node can talk to Calendly, it needs credentials. In the Credentials section of the Calendly node, click Create New Credential. You'll see a field for an API token. We'll grab that from your Calendly account next. It's helpful to give the credential a clear name so you can reuse it later. In a new browser tab, open Calendly and head to Integrations and Apps. Find the API and webhooks section and click Get a Token Now. Follow the prompts to generate a personal access token. When the token is displayed, click Copy Token. Treat this like a password. Don't share it, store it securely, and regenerate it if it's ever exposed. If you don't see the API option, you may need the correct permission level or plan. Check with your account admin. Return to N8N. Paste the token into the API token field in your new credential and save. N8N will now use this secure connection to listen for new event data from your Calendly account. If you see a success message or no errors, your connection is ready. At this point, your Calendly trigger is configured. You can keep building by adding downstream nodes to do something with the event details, like creating records, sending messages, or updating spreadsheets. As a best practice, test with a sample meeting in Calendly to confirm the payload looks as expected, then map the fields you need in your next nodes. And that's it. You set up a new workflow, added the Calendly node, selected the on-event created trigger, created secure credentials with an API token from Calendly, pasted it into N8N, and saved. You're now ready to automate what happens every time someone books with you.